The NRA Basics of Pistol Shooting Level 4 qualification requires the shooter to put 20 rounds inside an 8-inch circle. The best 16 rounds need to be in a group that's no wider than 6 inches. This is done at 45 feet or 15 yards. It's actually a very challenging test that does require all the fundamentals of shooting. I forgot to mention that it's done with 2 magazines loaded to 10 rounds each, so there is a reload in the middle. Let's go have a look. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I'm going to throw out my worst 4, which would probably be these. Well, that's 3. And that one. No?
Yeah. Right there.
Yeah. Right here? No, these 3? I don't know.
The ones in the 6-inch circle you want to keep.
It's all within 6 inches.
It's all within 6 inches.
Okay. Well, then you're good.
So, I passed. Hooray! I can be an NRA instructor.
You are one, right?
I am.